Hey guys, welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. I'm here today to try out some TikTok beauty hacks. Let's just get into it. I'm fresh-faced, I have nothing on my face, and we're gonna start with hack number 1, which is a DIY beauty BB cream. Okay, I've got each of the videos pulled up on TikTok. I'm gonna watch them. I'm gonna see if I can recreate them. Keep in mind, I'm not a makeup artist, just someone who really enjoys TikTok and scrolling and loves beauty. So let's just jump into the first one. I had to pause the video because she's putting foundation, primer, and then SPF together. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Wear your SPF first, because if you mix it in with your foundation, primer, any other product, it's going to lessen the effect of the SPF. Like, it's just not going to work as well. Okay, it's simple enough. Just don't do the SPF thing. Like, just don't do that. Don't follow everything that Gen Z says on TikTok. I'm gonna pop my SPF on right now because there's absolutely no way I'm mixing it in with the products. It's gonna lose the efficacy. I'm gonna keep an open mind. I'm using this coaster as my mixing container, and then I'm going in with my glow drops. So this is pretty heavy duty glow. I've just gone in with 1 drop. Now I need to find my primer, which is here. Now So I went in with a blurring primer, but it kind of squirted out. I'm finishing off with a dollop of moisturizer. Just got my spatula and I am blending it up. I want a really light coverage, so it's gone like a really moussey texture. You can obviously add more foundation if you want to make it higher coverage, but I'm just going to keep it really, really light. So I'm just using a brush to buff it in, and then I will go over it with a damp sponge just to really fuse that into the skin. I think from afar you can't really see what I'm seeing, but up close I can see my pores are really visible. And I don't love that. Okay, this is this side blended. It actually looks really, really nice. Like, it looks quite glowy, but it's definitely emphasized my pores on the cheek area, which is naturally what's gonna happen with highlights. I had a feeling this would happen. It's probably not something I would recreate. Just opt for like a BB cream or a CC cream. But it's definitely giving me like dewy, glowy, like summer vibes. But if you're someone who just wants a really, really light coverage and has never been able to find the right kind of BB or CC cream for them, then this is definitely a great kind of like trend to jump on and try, because you can customize it. I think that's the beauty of this trend. You can customize it to suit you. I'm just too lazy to actually do that, and I would much rather buy a product. Okay, so I didn't plan this very well, and I've actually had to come back another day and do the tan-touring hack. I'm going to watch the TikTok video so I understand what I'm in for. I do have it here. She put the tan onto a brush, applied it where you would contour your face naturally, and then went to bed and woke up with a naturally bronzed face. Now, that's something you could do, or you could just take a less risky approach, because I feel like leaving it on for 8 hours or overnight is like a lot, especially considering I don't have a lot of tanning experience. I tanned twice in my life, like fake tan. I'm gonna just only leave it on for like an hour and I'll show you guys the results. But this is fresh faced. All I've done is moisturize my face. I hope that this will work out. Otherwise, my poor face and the poor person that has to look at me at drinks tonight, and then, oh my God, my dates next week. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I am using the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Mousse in dark. This could be disastrous. I'm going to use a brush that I would usually use for my contour, so it's quite dense and it's angled. She put it directly onto her brush, but I am not going to do that. Oh no, the fake tan is like sliding. Did not prepare this very well. I'm moving the remainder of the fake tan onto this. Guys, I already feel like this hack is not worth it. Like, this is just really stressful for me. If you see panic in my face, it's because I am panicked. Please be bronzed. Please, 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 please do not look awful. So far, so good. I'm just going to just do very little because I'm a little concerned. Am I supposed to blend this out? This isn't blending. Oh, no. Guys, do not try this at home. Oh God, I just feel like this is just gonna go horribly, horribly wrong. I'm not doing my nose because if I mess that up, I can't come back from it. I think I can still come back from the cheekbones. I actually think it could be quite nice for like the chin area. I don't know why there are not more instructions on this TikTok video. I'm really confused if I just like keep blending. Like, am I making it worse? Should I do some on my eyelids? Am I really going rogue here? Don't do it. Don't do it. I think this is the best I can do. It just looks like a really bad unblended contour. And I think it might make my pigmentation worse. I'll be back. It has been an hour. I took off the tan because I couldn't leave it 8 hours. I just couldn't. Here's what the side looks like. I think it's going to develop. It's looking okay. Like, you can definitely see it's a little bit deeper chiseled the cheekbone. And this is what the other side looks like. I kind of don't like that my pigmentation mark, to me, looks a little bit darker. I definitely will not do this again. I'm not gonna lie, I won't. What I did notice is that it has stained my beautiful coaster. That's my fault because I forgot tanning stains. And also I have a darker kind of splotch on my hand, which is my own fault too. I just think you can achieve the same look with a cream bronzer, and if you just blend it out with your hands. I don't necessarily think you need to go through all of this effort. And if you're like me, stress and anxiety, just to get like a slightly more chiseled cheekbone, like, nah, no thank you. It's a no for me. Now it's time for the final hack, the easy eyeshadow hack, where essentially you take a darker color, lighter color, shimmer, and you just put them on as like vertical stripes on your eyelid, and then you blend it out using a buffing brush, and it's supposed to give you a really easy, colorful eye. So because I hate blending, I think everyone does, but everyone also wants a really snatched eye. I have high hopes for this, but it could also go horribly wrong because I feel like this may only suit certain eye shapes. So I'm gonna go in with some colors from an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're just gonna see how it goes. Maybe I'll play it safe and I'll do like a brownie pink look. TikTok made it look so much easier just to put the stripes on. So far this is looking okay. I think this color story could really work together. Just got a fluffy brush and now we just blend. It literally just kept saying blending. Oh, this does not look very good. If I keep blending, will it get better or muddier? What if I take it down? I'm gonna put mascara on. Maybe it'll look better with mascara. Like, let's not give up just yet. Okay, I put mascara on and I don't actually think it looks any better. The glitter has kind of like gone into the darker shades. It looks really, really muddy. No, I don't know what this TikTok girl did, but no, I don't. I think the problem with these TikTok trends is that they're only 15 or 30 seconds, so it's really, really difficult to understand if there's any other technique that they're doing. All I was doing was copying what she did in the video, but maybe there's more to it than that, and they just haven't said anything. So how are you supposed to know? I'm gonna say out of the hacks, let's like go through them. The BB cream is okay. I probably wouldn't do it because I'm lazy and it feels like a lot of effort. Never mix your SPF in with your makeup products. I would give that a 6 out of 10, depending on how you made it. The Tantoring, I would give a 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10. It was so much effort but not much payoff, and basically I was stressed the whole time. So I wouldn't do that again, and I wouldn't do this again. Actually, every single thing is a no for me, but I still love TikTok, and I'm still gonna probably spend 5 hours on it later tonight because I'm addicted. Let me know if you guys have tried some hacks below, if I was doing this wrong, if I should be doing this another way. I'm very, very open to feedback. This looks so bad. It's like the glitter has like scattered from like one, and it's so patchy. Look like I have a black eye, like a blue black eye with some glitter just chucked on. It looks like a kid. It looks like a child did your makeup. It looks like what you would do when you were playing with your mum's makeup when you were like 5.